Hey, my name's Anastasia and I'm going to show you how to make chocolate crackles. First, I'm going to melt the cocoa. Be careful because it's very hot, so you will need a grown-up. Next, you put in the rice bubbles. I've already put half in, so I'm going to put the other half in. Altogether, it's 4 cups. Now I'm going to put in the desiccated coconut. This is 1 cup. And now I'm going to put in the cocoa. It's 3 tablespoons. And now I'm going to put in the icing sugar. This is 1 cup. Now I'm going to put in the cocoa. This is the last ingredient I'm putting in. Now I'm going to mix it around. Now I'm going to put the mixture into the patty pans. Sometimes you can use 2 spoons, so if it doesn't get on, you can scrape the bits off. You need to put them in the fridge so they can set. They're going to be very delicious. Well, as you can see here, they've turned out pretty well. Now let's see how they taste. They're delicious.